big boy. Hello guys, Panterita here. Welcome to my family farm again. Today I wanted to show you how it's spending a day in the farm with me. Of course, before we start all the activities, I have to pet everyone here. Well, we have a lot of work to do today, so we are going to start doing some activities. Let's start. Well guys, now we are going to let our horses free so they can just have some grass from the neighbor. So let's go. Balu! Uy, uy, lo remuerde, lo remuerde. Panterita, no. Fuera, fuera, va para allá, va para allá, va para allá, va para allá, va para allá. Well, we have this place here on our field that we have these little trees that are the only shadow that we have here in summer. Well, we put the horses here that we have a little bit of fresh air right now in summer because the sun here hits really hard. Jacuzzi. Summertime! Woo! Hola, Huguito. ¡Ay, qué lindo! Your dear Tia? Well guys, this is my favorite part of the farm where the pigs are, and they have this little pool right here of mud, and well, I would love to be them right now. Baby dogs! Mira cómo van. Me muero. Se van para el lado. Oh, look what we have here. Somebody found the spot. Hola. Hola. Who is having a nap? Hola, papá. Hola, mi amor. Hola, mi amor. It's funny to think about this animal. Maybe can kill you. But he's so nice and so big. I love him. He's so pretty. Love you, baby boy. And we save these ones for work. A ver, papás. Beep, 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 beep. Pretty. Well, guys, we did a quick stop to have lunch. We made a sandwich.